Hello from TOKIN. Today, I'm going to introduce our most recently developed nozzle cleaning station from the TKS-R series. More than 10 years have passed since the launch of our first nozzle cleaning station, and since then, we have developed a variety of models to meet our clients' needs. Specifically designed for job sites that perform middle current range welding, such as automobile manufacturers, our newest series offers significantly improved battery removal capability. This series consists of two models, the TKS-RC and the TKS-RS. Each model differs in how it's programmed and activated. Here on the left, we have the TKS-RC, which is activated through a direct signal connection to the robot. With this, we get a strong, reliable signal and a stable startup. On the right, we have the TKS-RS. This model doesn't require a direct connection to the robot. Rather, it's automatically activated by two proximity sensors that detect when the nozzle is close by. Now, let's take a look at these two models in action. First, the bar at the end of the welding wire after welding is cut. This wire cutter is a specialty steel cutting blade that allows for increased stability while cutting and a long operating life overall. Next, the nozzle moves to the top of the unit where it is cleaned. Once the nozzle is clamped in, spatter is thoroughly removed by the ultra-hard reamer and air motor. After being cleaned, the nozzle is sprayed with anti-spatter fluid that forms an anti-spatter coating on the nozzle. By performing the cleaning and anti-spatter spraying all in one location, maintenance is completed much more quickly, saving time and increasing productivity. Finally, the wire is cut once again, and the robot is now ready for welding. Both of these models come with fixed reference points to confirm the tool center point of the robot. Be sure to use these when replacing the torch or making other adjustments. In order to make setup, including wiring, simple and easy, these stations have been designed to perform the programmed actions with just one input signal from the internal programmable logic controller. If you would like more information or have any questions, please feel free to contact your local TOKIN sales representative. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.